Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of the AutoCAD 2019 full course, and in this video we're gonna learn how to use the rectangular command right here. And there is many ways to access this command, simply by clicking on the icon on the home palette on the ribbon, or just the same going to the view tool palettes, and there it is, or just by typing on the screen Rick and it is right here. We're gonna go over and click on the icon. Then he's gonna ask you to specify the first corner of the rectangular, specify it. Then there is many ways you can just specify the shape you want, not accurately but just like this, or clicking the right button on the mouse, then going to the specifying the area or the dimensions, or using the rotation to rotate the rectangular. If you click on the area, you're gonna specify the area of the rectangular. If I want it to be 100, I'm gonna specify the length. I want it to be 10. So we got this rectangular, but I'm gonna go over again. If I click on dimensions, I'm gonna specify the length of the rectangular that I want. I'm gonna specify 10 also. Then the width of the rectangular, another 10. Then there it is. Then you just specify the direction you want the rectangular to be, right here. Another way, the rotation. Rotation. If you want to rotate the rectangular, you just rotate in the angle you want. You just type the angle. I want it 30. Just like that. Then you specify the other corner of the rectangular, just like that, and you have it rotated. So that was pretty much what we have for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you subscribe for the channel. Stay tuned for another video. Thank you very much.